the deal? We're coming for the bills.
Yo, we are back with a video. And I'm doing this all by myself, so hopefully the camera is perfect right now.
No, it's not. No.
Without further ado though, let's get straight to this unboxing. As you can see, we have this Jordan box in the UNC colorway. I've been noticing on the recent drops from Jordan, they've been matching the box with the colorway of the shoes, just like the Poland ones. They have the black and yellow box, but I would rather prefer the OG black and red Jordan 1 box. It just looks nice, but I couldn't complain about the little detail touches. But yeah, this right here is my favorite color, so I'm really excited to see this pair. I already talked about this color in my last video, the unboxing for this Puma LaMelo Ball MB1s, the Queen City Purple Glimmer or whatever the colorway name is. So go check that out. The link will be in the description. It's kind of popping off right now. It's on like 1.5k views, which I didn't really expect. But let's go back to this. We have the normal tags right here, and as you can see, it's a size 8, which I'll be talking about later. And let's go straight to the box, man. So we got the normal paper bag right here, and then the receipt is also inside. Here we go, the Nike receipt from Chermside, Westfield. So they're the first store that released in here, and they only released from size 7 to 9. So all the big sizes, they gotta wait for Foot Locker and all the other stores. So there you go, bro, this beauty. So we don't need this box no more. Man, oh man, look how beautiful, bro. The colorway is too clean. Wow. Alright, but before we continue with the shoes, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, so you guys can stay tuned and show some love for my future videos. And also share this video on your Facebook and all your other social platforms so I can widen my range. And yes, so let's get to the details of this shoe. I kind of love the tongue detail right here. It's actually like camo, just like what's on the inside. It's black, white, and blue. I don't know if you could see it, but I'll be adding some detailed looks at the end of this video, so check that out as well. And then right here, the Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue is satin, so it's kind of shiny compared to the rest of the shoe. So the base, which is the white one, is leather, and I think this blue UNC right here is suede. And the outsole, bro, so I actually love the outsoles of shoes if they put details on it. This is just classic Jordan, not much detail, but because of the colorway, like I said, it's my favorite color. So the baby blue translucent outsole right here, and the Jumpman on UNC right here is just so clean, bro. Look at that. Wow. And we got the white laces and the navy blue lace locks right here, which is like borderline black because of how dark it is. Yeah, so we also got the hits of black on the midsole, as you can see, also on the inner midsole right here. And then on the back, we have the patch. So that's been kind of new because my older ones actually have the Jumpman if it's not the OG, and then the OGs have the Nike Air on the back. So I'll show you the different heel tags from the older pairs. Alright, so we got these two pairs right here. We got the Carmine 6s, which I've never used as well, and the Gatorade 6s right here. The Carmine 6s, which is opposite of this. They have the white and red instead of the white and blue. But I love the outsole. So they have the same translucent baby blue outsoles. The different colors on the Jumpman though, we have the red right here, which matches the shoe. Hopefully I can wear this one day. But yeah, man, before we get back to this pair right here, I am sweating right now because it's so hot in Brisbane. And I couldn't turn on the fan or else it's just gonna get noisy on the mic and whatnot. So yeah, the air bubble and everything right here, there's really not much to say anymore, except why I got a size 8. This is actually not my pair. So this UNC 6 right here is my homie's pair. That's why it's a size 8. And a big shout out to the homie Ared. He's got this Facebook page, Ace Zubelas. I'll put a screenshot right now. So I'll post this photo on my Instagram. I'll put multiple photos, and at the end of it, it will be a screenshot of his Facebook. So you can go check that out on my Instagram, winner.888. Follow me right there. So the homie does resell, like market prices or lower than market prices. But also what I love that the homie does is he does reservations. So when the Puma released, he did that where he just added like 10 to 20 bucks. and it's a sure cup on your size, so you can get your pair for sure. So he's gonna be doing this on the release on Foot Locker. So if you're from Brisbane, you guys can meet up somewhere where it's closer to you, or he can drop it off to you if you're just near Northside Brisbane. If you guys wanna get it for sure, go and ask him for help getting your pair. Yo, it's really hot right now, and to show some love and support, like this video. It also helps with the algorithm. Leave a comment if you're getting this pair, and also if you want me to hook you up with the homie Ared, just leave a comment. If you couldn't find him on Facebook, I'll link you up. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe for future videos and share so you can show your friends and whatnot. Follow me on Instagram, Mir88. I'm out, bro, and detailed looks right now.
We're coming for the bills.
Chasing, pursuing what we call 032 dreams, ayy.
We know the drill. We're here for the thrill.
Chasing, pursuing what we call 032 dreams, ayy.
We know the deal. We're coming for the bills.
Man, I don't know if the camera can see it, but my neck and my hair right here is soaking wet. It must be the heat from these shoes as well. It's making it more warm. So click the subscribe button to show some love.